Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, February 27th, and this is my recap of the top videos of the day. And the pound US dollar came in number 2 today, so I'm going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis, make sure you check out the video that I made this morning, linked at the end of this video over here. So the pound dollar definitely did have a pretty good push up today, but then it did recover down quite a bit. To me, this actually does look very, very much like an A, 3 waves up for a B, and another impulsive move down for a wave C. It turned right at the Fibonacci level. I think there's a very good chance this move down is going to end up making a higher low. So, especially on shorter time frames, if you see a little bit of an engulfing move to the upside, especially if you can identify a break of structure, I think that there's a pretty good chance it will make a higher low, and there's a very good likelihood that it will go up, most likely eventually take out these highs. So I'm definitely looking for longs. I'm definitely looking for engulfing moves, breaks of structure to the upside, and possibly a Fibonacci retracement of this last push up. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.